Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos, and I upload new videos every Wednesdays and Sundays. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful bauble wreath DIY perfect for Christmas. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. All the things that you require are mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Basically, you need a hanger, wired hanger, and loads of baubles. If you think these are too many, you're going to be wrong, because I fell in short of few baubles. So let's get going. First, I have unwired that top part of the hanger, and I'm going to create a circle with this hanger, and next I'm just going to insert all these baubles into that hanger. So I'm going to mix and match all the sizes to create that beautiful wreath. Done adding all the baubles, I'm going to lock that hanger in place. So be careful if you're using your hands or fingers, be careful. And then I have added some pines in between to give that extra Christmassy effect. And then I'm going to attach this bow to that hanger on the top. So here, if you see, there's a gap in between the baubles on the top. That's why I said they weren't enough for this DIY. That's why I've used a big bow to attach to hide that gap. So this is the way it will look like. And for the top of that hanger, I have used that a ribbon to wrap it around, so it will look nice and clean. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. I have uploaded another DIY video yesterday, so don't forget to check that out. And if you're interested in makeup, don't forget to check out my channel, and please guys, subscribe, and happy holidays.